Hello, and welcome to Filings Corner, your trusted partner in legal, tax, and estate planning services. Today's topic, Wills and Testament Services. Why you need a will, when to update it, and how Filings Corner makes the process smooth and secure. What is a will, and why does it matter? A will is more than a legal document. It's your voice, your legacy, and your final word on how your assets are passed on. At Filings Corner, we help you draft a legally sound, tax-efficient will that reflects your true wishes, no ambiguity, no disputes. Why you should have a will: protect your loved ones, secure your family's financial future, avoid legal disputes, prevent inheritance conflicts, ensure tax efficiency, minimize estate-related tax liabilities, appoint a trusted executor to manage your estate after your time. Peace of mind, know your legacy is in safe hands. What documents do you need to draft a will? ID and address proofs, Aadhaar, passport, PAN, etc. List of assets, property, bank accounts, mutual funds, valuables. Beneficiary details. Who inherits what? Clearly defined executor and guardian info. Trusted individuals to handle responsibilities. Witness details. At least 2 independent adult witnesses. Any special wishes. Family heirlooms, charities, funeral instructions. When should you update your will? Birth of a child. Add guardianship and inheritance terms. Marriage or divorce. Reflect changes in family structure. Acquiring new assets. Include real estate, investments, or businesses. Change in executor or beneficiary. Update names, roles, or percentages. Legal or tax law changes. Stay compliant with evolving regulations. Our 6-step will drafting process at Filings Corner 1. Consultation, understand your estate and goals. 2. Asset and beneficiary mapping. Organize your estate plan. 3. Custom drafting. Legally clear, clause-by-clause documentation. 4. Review and finalization. Ensure nothing's missed. 5. Execution and witnessing. Done the right legal way. 6. Secure storage option. Keep your will safe and accessible. Why choose Filings Corner? Drafted by legal and tax experts, CAs, lawyers, CSS, and MBAs, tailor-made wills, customized to your family and asset structure, tax-smart planning, maximize what your loved ones receive, compliance-focused, 100% legally valid and updatable anytime confidential and hassle-free service, secure, affordable, and professional, ready to plan your legacy. Don't leave things to chance. Draft your will today with Filings Corner. Visit www.filingscorner.com or call us to speak with our experts. Like this video, comment, and subscribe for more legal and financial tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Filings Corner, simplifying business and life, one document at a time.